Welcome. If you've ever tried adding friends on Snapchat but couldn't see your contacts, you're not alone. Sometimes Snapchat doesn't have permission to access your phone's contact list, but fixing that takes just a few easy steps. In this updated guide, I'll show you exactly how to allow contacts access on Snapchat so you can connect with your friends effortlessly. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. You don't need to open the Snapchat app yet. You'll find everything you need in your phone's settings panel. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the section labeled Apps or App Management. Depending on your device, it might just say Apps. Tap on it to open the full list of applications installed on your phone. Next, look for Snapchat. You can either scroll through the list or use the search bar at the top to find it faster. Once you've located Snapchat, tap to open its information page. This is where you can manage everything about the app, like storage, notifications, and most importantly, permissions. Now tap on the option that says Permissions. You'll see a list of all the features Snapchat can access, like your camera, microphone, and location. What you'll want to do next is scroll until you find Contacts. Got it? Perfect. Go ahead and tap on Contacts. From there, you'll see different permission options, usually allow, don't allow, or ask every time. Choose Allow. That's it. You've just given Snapchat access to your phone's contacts. With this setting turned on, Snapchat can now find people from your contact list who also use the app. This makes adding friends way faster and smoother. Before you close out, it's a good idea to open Snapchat and double-check. Tap your profile, go to Add Friends, and you should now see a list of contacts who are already on Snapchat. And there you have it, a simple, updated way to allow contacts access on Snapchat in just a few steps. Thanks for watching.